Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the Home Mini to create a clean state. Unplug for 5-10 seconds, then plug it back in so it boots fresh. Once done, make sure your iPhone or iPad is signed into the Home app with the same Apple ID. This lets you see the accessory. Stay within 1-2 meters of the speaker so Bluetooth and Wi-Fi reconnect reliably. Now press and hold the top touch surface. This begins the manual reset sequence you need. You'll perform the critical press and hold step. Press the top surface and keep holding until the light changes to orange. This tells you the unit entered setup or reset mode. Hold through the device's spoken prompts and chimes. Do not release early because partial presses can leave settings inconsistent. The speaker will play 3 distinct chimes. After the 3rd chime, release the surface. This sequence clears pairing and home settings, so the device returns to factory state and is ready to re-add. After release, wait for the Home Mini to enter setup mode and show a pulsing white or orange light. Then open the Home app, tap Add Accessory, and follow on-screen setup to rejoin Wi-Fi and assign rooms. If the accessory doesn't appear, reboot your router and iPhone, wait 30 seconds, then retry. Network issues are the usual culprit. If the LED or chimes behave oddly, perform the reset sequence one more time. If problems persist, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.